Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm making stir-fry mustard green with garlic. So let's review the ingredients. I have a head of Chinese mustard, garlic, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, white pepper, seasoning salt mix, baking soda, chicken stock, and cornstarch slurry. For the prep, we'll just do a quick mince of the garlic. Okay, that looks good. And next we'll cut the mustard green. We'll break it off from the stem. We'll cut it in little sections. I'm just cutting it into like large chunks. And the Chinese mustard green is usually served with the large stems only. The leaves are a bit fibrous and bitter, so that's always left out. Now all the prep is done, so let's start cooking. To make this dish, we're going to begin with parboiling the mustard green. And I'm adding a little bit of baking soda to the boiling water. And what this does is helps the mustard green retain the bright color. We'll just let this come back up to a boil. And once it comes back up to a boil, let it continue cooking for about 15 seconds. Okay, that looks good. So turn off the heat, remove the veggies. Okay, so pour out the water. Heat is set at a medium-high heat. I'm going to add some oil here. We'll add the garlic. We'll add the mustard green. Add a bit of the seasoned salt mix. White pepper, a little bit of sesame oil, Shaoxing wine. We'll add the chicken stock. And at the same time, we'll thicken the sauce. And this cooks up really quick. And you can see the mustard green retain a nice green color. And this is done. Let's serve this. And here we have a gorgeous plate of stir-fried mustard green with garlic. This is a delicious plate of greens with a mild mustard flavor. Enjoy! Well, let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, yummy. She loves eating all types of vegetables. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.